What's up everybody, Martin Jensen here, and today you have a chance of winning this pro looking FORTNITE sign. If you're a streamer, think of your nick right there. Awesome! The goal is to hit 100k views within a month, 150, and I'll throw in the nick too. Answer the questions in the comment field, the rules are in the description. Well, what are we waiting for? In the game FORTNITE, players battle against each other to be the last man standing. In the most difficult mode of the game, the object is to survive for 2 whole weeks. Traditionally, a time period of 2 weeks is called a fortnight. Of course, you don't have to play the game for 2 whole weeks. Time moves a lot faster in the FORTNITE universe. The name also refers to the temporary forts that players build within the game to protect themselves or trap other players. What is a fortnight? Answer the question with the second and last letter of your channel name after the answer. FORTNITE isn't all about building and killing. It actually does have a pretty compelling storyline. It takes place in a world in which 98% of the human population has disappeared. Everyone left on Earth faces the impending arrival of zombies called husks that descended upon the planet from overhead storms. As a player, you have to complete various objectives such as protecting various players from the husks and rebuilding some semblance of civilization. What ground is best in general to take, high or low? Answer the question with the date of your post. So if I post on the 10th of June, I would post 106. If I posted tomorrow, I would write 116. I guess we should explain how to play FORTNITE Battle Royale to all the FORTNITE noobs out there. The gameplay involves up to 100 players, individually or in squads. You're parachuted into a randomly generated map and you can then scan the terrain for weapons and resources. The point of the game is to be the last man or squad standing. Also, the safe area of the map slowly shrinks over the course of the game, which brings all of the players closer together for a real kill zone. Question 3. Who is the biggest FORTNITE streamer on YouTube? Put the third letter of your channel name first. FORTNITE creator Tim Sweeney owns a whole bunch of land in North Carolina, but his mission isn't one of personal wealth. Sweeney is buying land to preserve Carolina's wilderness. He is on an ecological mission to keep natural, biodiverse areas free of power lines, power plants, and buildings in general. I hope you all liked seeing the sign created, so now you know what it takes to make one yourself. The fourth and last question is, who is the creator of FORTNITE? Put the first letter of your channel name in between his first and last name. First and last name. I wish you all the best of luck in the competition and in FORTNITE Chapter 2 Season 3. I'll see you soon.